Controversy is brewing in Karnataka over Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar's criticism of Mahakumbh in Prayagraj just days after he took a holy dip and praised the administration. The KPCC chief, after taking the holy dip at the Kumbh Mela in Mysuru, has said that the devotees need not visit Prayagraj and should instead opt for the Kumbh Mela in his state. The sudden U-turn has raised eyebrows among his political opponents. The leader of opposition, R. Ashoka, has taken a jibe at D.K. Shivkumar, advising him to tell his party president Mallikarjun Kharge and son Priyank Kharge to take a holy dip in the South Kumbh. The BJP leader also dared the Deputy Chief Minister to advise Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to do the same, rather than asking the people of Karnataka to do it.
I welcome advice of Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. Please advise your party president, Mr. Kharge, and his son. They also go and take holy dip. Advice. Your advice not to Karnataka people. You advise that he also Karnataka people. Kharge. Please advise, you advise Siddaramaiah also.
ಪುರಾಣಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯೋ ಯಮುನಾ ನದಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪವಿತ್ರತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾವೇರಿಗೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಕಾವೇರಿಯ ಕೆಲವು ಭಾಗಗಳಿವು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಫಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರೆ ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆನ ಹೀಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕುಂಭಮೇಳಕ್ಕೆ.
My colleague Neha joins us with more on this. Neha, what more details do you have? Of course, this political war of words brewing in Karnataka over the Kumbh.
Well, Shreya, that's right. In fact, we've seen the manner in which the opposition parties across the country have, in fact, been critiquing the Kumbh Mela that's been taking place in Uttar Pradesh in various forms. We've, of course, seen a lot of politics playing out over that. And now in the latest, even as Karnataka is, in fact, hosting a Kumbh, which it used to earlier as well, we're seeing the manner in which this criticism now is playing out. You have the Deputy Chief Minister here suggesting that, there's no need really for people to be able to travel that far all the way to Uttar Pradesh amidst the crowd, possibly amidst, of course, security arrangements that weren't fully in place. We've seen the manner in which, of course, he's gone on to suggest this, and understandably so. This isn't being taken too well here by the Saffron Party. Now that's, of course, sarcastically gone on to suggest there that the government should first ask, the Congress president and his son to visit this. More importantly, we also, in fact, had reactions from other BJP leaders as well, questioning, how the Deputy Chief Minister himself, in fact, visited the Mahakumbh in Uttar Pradesh, but is now advising people in the state against this. Of course, we're seeing the politics playing out over this entire issue, but whether this is something that's really going to, drag on now remains to be seen.